easy go.
What are you going, salty or greasy?
I'm gonna go right here, and then I might head into greasy. We could take one of those shadow deals. If there's no chest right here, we'll just go straight into greasy. But right now, it looks like there may be chests there.
Looks like it. Yeah, I think there's 2.
Yep, okay, I see them. They just loaded in for me.
Yep, there's 2.
Yeah, I'll take this one.
Oh man, I thought you were a contester. I thought, oh man, we got people coming to me. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Let's go grab one of these shadow cubes. Let's roll into greasy.
Are you ready?
Nobody go greasy?
It'd be nice if nobody did. Gosh, I love that you can jump so high on these things.
I know.
Nothing in here. Ooga ooga! I like that it does the little scare dance thing when it.
I got you 50 shield if you want it.
Yeah.
One sec, I'll be down in a second. Oh wait, got you full shield if you want it.
Yeah, boy. Oh, somebody right here.
Yep, they're with me. Ow! Ow!
63 headshot. He's really low. Like 1 tap. The other, one guy's 1 tap and the I don't know about the other guy. Not that guy.
Who's this guy's now?
Okay, the other guy's really low. Less than 1 tap.
No!
Nice.
Jeez, that was close. Actually, those SMGs are really good. Might keep that. We did have a shotgun. Stink bombs do pretty good damage.
Yeah. Poor old statue chair.
I know. What? I wish those statues would come back. Those are my favorite things to land at.
Got a good thing of brick too.
Yeah, I got a deal on my phone, an email from Fortnite, saying that I got 75 wins last season.
What?
Yeah. They're saying I got 75 wins, and my favorite spot was Loot Lake, and my favorite game mode was 50v50.
Wow.
I believe the rest of the stuff, but not the 75 wins.
Yeah, because that's where we always went for our...
Yeah, loot.
Yeah. I don't even have 75 wins out of all of my seasons.
I don't either.
I'm getting about to 25 wins in all.
I'm probably about the same. Is there anybody even in Tilted anymore? Question mark? There's got to be someone in that Porta Fortress.
Can I get a rip in the chat, please?
There has to be someone in that Porta Fortress.
That's like almost clickbait right there.
There can't just be nobody in Tilted. Swear I just heard something. I don't see anyone. I'm gonna risk it. Risk it for the biscuit.
Risking it for the win, Daddy.
Watch this right here, Tag. I'm gonna win.
Come here, boy.
You serious? No, who needs hunting rifles when you got a burst?
Just kidding.
I don't think there's anybody left. What if I'm in Allier's video right now, and he like just cleared out Tilted, and is leaving now, and he just left.
Wonder who the best PS4 player is. I don't think it's Allier.
Allier is not.
Allier just kind of buns compared to
know.
everybody else.
I don't know. He has a bunch of wins. I just don't think he's very good at the game.
He only has like 100 solo wins.
Yeah, I've never looked up
That
his
is nothing
deal.
compared to everybody else.
Ghost Ninja. You should look him up on YouTube. He has over 1,000 solo wins.
On PS4?
Yeah. Then we forgot about Yoki.
Okay.
And the guy that I went against in the battle in the Fortnite tournament. Did you ever get to play with him?
No.
Oh my gosh, he was the best. He had the Skull Trooper, the original Skull Trooper, and the floss.
When's the next tournament?
I don't know when there is one. I can check, but I don't know when there's gonna be one. I just sign up whenever there is one when I'm not in football. It's gonna be nice
Which
to go
is
home for
not very...
go home early for a week.
Yeah. And wrestling.
Yeah.
And then cutting weight. And then golf.
Yeah.
I'm ready for golf, actually.
You doing golf now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mom doesn't want me to, but I am.
Attaboy.
Oh boy.
Seriously, where is everyone?
You're outside of the circle.
I know. But where is everyone? I mean, really?
They probably had to take a poop and then they're just...
Camping right now.
Yeah.
Should I go look in here and see if there is anyone? Hello?
Where are you?
Anyone in here? Hello? Hello? There's so many dual pistols in this game, it's not even funny anymore.
Hello?
Like, that's the only weapon I ever find anymore, dual pistols. And I wonder what everyone's gonna be like. Those people that don't know that the Skull Trooper was back in the shop, they're gonna see me up here and they're gonna be like, oh man, don't engage, it's a Skull Trooper.
He's the coolest skin ever, man. I honestly kind of wish they didn't bring it back.
Yeah, now it's not as rare and as wanted now.
I would have been.
Is that a guy? Nah.
I'd have been okay with just bringing the item shop back for you and me, but. Or I think like the season 2 players should be able to.
They do
have
have
the item shop.
They have a weird way now. They have like a. It's either blue or red that they can change it to prove that they're. Like, you know how we can change it to glowing? Theirs, they can change it to blue or red or something. I can't remember what color it is, but they can change the color.
I think it was purple. Or not
Okay,
purple,
it might have been
but
purple.
yeah, I think it was purple.
Is that a bush? Is that a legendary bush?
Is that the legendary bush?
Oh, I think it is. I'm gonna go put it on. This guy's taking my legendary bush! Don't even dare! You aren't even good. I got Skull Trooper, so.
That dude looks like total buns holding.
Yeah, I'm
get
gonna
that
die.
guy.
Oh no, his teammate.
That guy's buns.
His teammate.
Oh. Stink bomb! Throw them stankies. Oh,
Okay, you suck! You suck! You suck! Oh, they aren't on the same team? You've got to be joking. They aren't on the same team. I could have swore they were on the same team.
Hit that guy. Attaboy! Hey, look at the guy here. Okay, yep.
Is this guy dead over here?
Looks like it was just you and him.
Oh man, he's running.
He's trying to get to them band-aids.
Oh no, he isn't. He's gonna fight.
Nice.
Let's go. Look at that quad
Look at that
launcher
quad
right
launcher.
there.
Are you gonna pick it up?
Yeah. Actually, maybe not. There's not that much ammo. Oh, there's all the ammo.
That's what was in that opening picture of that. Oh, that bunny rabbit.
Bunny rabbit.
I don't know. It's in the screensaver. Aren't you going down there to where you killed them other guys?
Nah. Oh. Is that Scar?
Yep.
There's more rockets too. Dang, I'm gonna win this game. 7 people left. What? 7 people left?
Yeah, man. Ah, boy. Ah, boy.
I'm gonna die right here.
You're gonna get snipped.
I know, look at that right there. You know someone's in that base. Oh jeez, I
Right in the head.
swear I heard someone, but it was that Loot Lake or whatever. Leaky Lake. Yeah, there's definitely somebody hiding over there.
Hey, there's a person to your left, I think, maybe. Oh, no, that was that sign. Never mind.
Go away. I need to go pee. I need to go pee so bad.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Then go.
Okay, I'll be right back. Yell at me if like something happens, okay? I'm not gonna be able to hear you. I'll be right back.
Nothing
How
happened.
am I still alive? Wait.
Nothing
Oh
happened.
no! No! Do not shoot.
Nothing happened.
Did he actually shoot? Man, I'm gonna need a backup.
How has nobody seen that you were there? I mean, isn't a box kind of obvious?
How'd he go away?
Don't you? I blame my brother and sister, like, if I lose.
I do too.
And I'm like, it's because you were watching.
No one's gonna see me. No one will find me. Last circle. Am I in it? I think I'm almost in it. If I'm not, then I'll move. But I think I'm in it. How's it? Oh, 5 people. Oh, 5 people.
You're probably the only solo person too.
I know.
Whoa.
Hopefully the rest are solos right now. That'd be great. Maybe I am in circle. Do you think I am? I might
don't
be
think
like
so.
barely. I think I'm barely out. Ooh, I should be pretty close now. Oh, I got streamer 613 is now spectating you. Where's it gonna stop? Yeah. Oh yeah, I would have been good. I would have been good.
Hey, you got next circle.
I know, I'm just gonna hop over here and hide in this bush right now.
Oh man, it's a 1v2.
Not if they're all not on the same team. No, that's very noticeable.
Your unicorn pops out a lot.
I know, I was gonna say that's very how do you get back? Like, leave now.
Ooh, a grappler and a big shield.
Please don't be on the same team.
They're not.
Oh my gosh, they're not! No way!
Hey, check to your left real quick. Like further.
I'm getting back.
Oh,
geez,
yeah,
no.
they are. Nice.
Don't even! Oh my gosh! Rocket launcher sucks!
We can make a wildfire get away.